Where do you see yourself in
Where do you
5
see
years?
yourself in 5 years?
Common
Where do you see
question.
yourself in five
Where do
years?
you see yourself
Where
in
do you
5
see
years?
yourself in five
This is
years?
a chance to
This is
share
a
your
chance
goals
to
for the
share your
future.
goals for the
You want to
future. You
demonstrate
want to
that you
demonstrate that
understand
you
what is
understand what
realistically
is
achievable
realistically
over a certain period of
achievable over
time.
a certain
You'll
period of
also be
time.
letting the
You
interviewer
also been
know how
letting
ambitious
the
you are with this
interview know
answer.
how ambitious
If
you
you
are with
haven't
this
thought about
answer.
this
If you
question at
haven't
all,
solved
it can
this
be a
question at
great
all,
idea to
it
think
can be a
about
great
this
idea.
before your
Think
interview.
about this before your interview.
Also, think about
Also, think
answers to two
answers to
variations.
two
Where do you
variations.
see yourself
Where do you
in
see
1 year?
yourself in 1 year?
Where do you see
Where
yourself
do you
in
see
10
yourself
years?
in 10 years?
You start this
You
response
start
by
this
saying,
response by saying,
in 5 years, I
in
would
five
like to
years,
be.
I would like to be.
Practice answering this question out
Practice
loud
answering
as
this
you
question out
prepare for your
loud as you
interview.
prepare for your interview.
If you only
If you
practice the
only
answers in your
practice
head,
answers
it will
in
be
your head,
much
it
more
will be much
stressful when
more
you're in the
stressful
room
when you're
with
in
the
the room
interviewer
with the
speaking
interviewer
out loud for the
speaking out
first
loud
time.
for the first time.
Record yourself.
Record yourself.
Critique your own
Critique
speech.
your own
What
speech.
was unclear?
What was unclear?
How could you
How could
clarify
you
or say
clarify
more
or
concisely
say
your
more
thoughts?
concisely your thoughts?
Where do you see yourself
Where
in
do you see
5
yourself in
years?
5 years?
As I mentioned
As I
before,
mentioned
I'm interested in
before, I'm
growth.
interested in
In
growth.
5 years,
In
I would
five
like to
years,
be
I would
part
like
of
to
a
be part
company
of
growing
a
its
company
business on
growing
a regular
its
and
business on a
consistent
regular and
basis.
consistent
I'd like
basis.
to be in a vice
I would like to
president
be in
position
vice
with a
president
focus on
position
development.
with focus on
And while
development.
I know that
And
that
where I
would
know that
require
I
much
will
more public
require much more
speaking,
public
in five
speaking.
years, I
In five
plan on
years,
being
I
ready for
plan
it.
on being ready for it.
Okay,